And wise men say you don't know the potential of the mic until you EQ it. But what do I do if I don't know how to EQ? That's right. This is my mic without EQ. This is my mic with EQ. Very different sounding. So how I EQ this? See? This is an exact copy of the Adobe Premiere or Adobe Audition EQ presets. Just copy it, okay? It's easy, all right? Let me show you. Check. Okay, the default is without EQ, all right? In Equalizer, there is 4 regions of EQ, okay? The sub-bass, the bass, the mids, and the highs. So how do I cut the sub-bass part of my frequency is using the high-pass filter. And I will limit my high frequency with low-pass filter, okay? High-pass is letting the high frequency pass, and low-pass is opposites, okay? It's easy as that, all right? And we will copy these presets from Vocal Enhancer preset here to our EQ in RIA EQ. So I will copy these exact presets, okay? I will set my high-pass filter in 80 Hz, okay? Frequency, 80 Hz. Type, high pass. Boom. Cut this sub-bass out. Now let's see the bass part. 110 Hz. 110 Hz. Boost to 6 decibel. Okay. We use the band type. Okay. This is high pass. This is band, and low pass. 50 Hz, 0 decibel. Okay, this is 50. 50 Hz, 0 decibel. Q width 2. Okay. 200, 0 decibel. At band 200, 0 decibel. Q or bandwidth 2. 291. At band 291. -3. Okay, we cut the mud here. 1.5 bandwidth or Q. Okay, easy. 3200 at band. 3200. 0 Q2. 0 Q2. Okay. 12800 at band. 12800. 0 2. Okay. And just copy this. At band. Paste. 13.9 and limit the high frequency because this sounds too bright. 18,000 low pass filter, right? And just hear the character of the mic. Okay, check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is might be too bright for my mic because Zoom H1 tends to have more treble in it. So I will lower this part. Okay, check 1 2 3. Make sure this apply automatically to hear the result in real time. And check 1 2 3. This is the mic with the EQ. This is the mic without the EQ. This is the mic with the EQ. Check 1 2 3. And there you go. That's how easy it is. Just copy the presets from Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Audition. Easy, right? If you guys have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.